Jason Hatcher here with MarineMax Fort Walton Beach. Today I'm going to walk you through this beautiful 2026 Sea Ray 290 SDX. Let's jump up top so I can show you around. Before we jump topside, I wanted to show you guys this boat is powered with twin 250 Mercuries. This boat will definitely pull you out of the water and get you anywhere that you want to go. Here at the bow of the boat, you'll notice there's ample seating for you, your family, and your friends. And in addition to that, you have this beautiful teak wooden table that folds over and extends so you can have room for your guests and their beverages. Here at the helm, you notice this boat is appointed with a beautiful Simrad MFD. This will also show you where you're going and how deep it is as you get there. Boat's also equipped with twin digital throttles, and this particular one, it also has the Mercury joystick, which is a huge upgrade to any of these type of bow riders. You also notice this boat does have a very spacious head here on the port side. Plenty of room if you need to get out of the elements or if you just need to take a break out of the hot sun. One of my favorite features on this boat is you have a built-in grill, refrigerator, and sink. So if you want to do a little prep or you want to cook some food while you're out there with family and friends, this boat has everything you need to do it. Come on down to MarineMax Fort Walton Beach and check out this beautiful 290 SDX.